your mechanic is laughing all the way to the bank. Right now, today, there are 15 car hacks so simple and so effective that the entire detailing and repair industry has spent decades making sure you never connect the dots. We are talking about tricks that eliminate $100 service bills with a $4 item from your bathroom cabinet, fixes that take 30 seconds and save you $300, and knowledge that the shops actively bury, because a customer who knows these things is a customer they can never overcharge again. Stay until the very end, because the number one hack on this list involves a repair that mechanics routinely bill anywhere from $50 to $300 per door, and the real fix costs you absolutely nothing extra because you already own it. If you leave early, that money walks straight out of your wallet and into theirs. Starting at number 15, and this one is going to sting a little. You pull into the driveway, glance down at your tires, and that dull brownish-gray sidewall makes your entire car look like it belongs in a salvage yard. Detailers see you coming from a mile away. They charge you $15 to $20 for a bottle of tire shine that they present like it contains some proprietary formula developed in a laboratory. Here is the nightmare truth they are hiding from you. Plain petroleum jelly, the exact same Vaseline, sitting in your medicine cabinet for $2, is the base compound in nearly every professional tire treatment on the market. After washing and drying your tires, work a small amount into the sidewall using circular motions with a microfiber cloth. Buff away the excess, and what you get back is a deep satin black finish that bonds to the rubber, shields it against UV cracking and dry rot, and holds for weeks. The shops drop that same ingredient into a fancier container, print an aggressive name on the label, and mark it up 400%. Now you know exactly what is in that bottle. Number 14 is the fog hack that makes every anti-fog spray on the shelf look like the con it genuinely is. You climb into your car on a cold morning, and the entire inside of your windshield is a blurry wall of condensation. You are wiping it with your sleeve, blast the defroster, and still squinting through a dangerous haze trying to see the road. That is a safety nightmare happening every single morning while the auto parts store is cashing in on your frustration. Cut a raw potato in half, rub the cut side across the entire interior windshield surface in slow circular motions, let it sit 60 seconds, then wipe it clean with a microfiber cloth. The natural starches deposit an invisible moisture-repelling film on the glass that works on the exact same scientific principle as those $8 to $20 commercial sprays, which means you are getting identical results from a vegetable that costs you nothing because it was already in your kitchen. Anti-fog sprays exist because the industry is betting you never connect those two facts. Number 13, and this one could have left you stranded in a dark parking lot handing $200 to a locksmith for absolutely no reason. Your key fob battery dies, the car does not respond, and panic sets in. What almost no driver figures out on their own is that tucked inside that fob is a fully mechanical backup key hidden behind a small release lever on the side or back of the casing. Press it and a physical metal key pops out. Your car's door handle often hides the lock cylinder behind a removable plastic cover placed there specifically for this moment. Car manufacturers built this fail-safe into virtually every modern vehicle and never once bothered to advertise it. Because a driver who knows about the backup key is a driver who never generates a roadside assistance call. Check your fob tonight before you ever need it. That 30-second discovery just saved you $200. Number 12. Surface scratches on your windshield are one of the great financial traps in the auto service industry. You walk back to your car and find a shallow mark dragged across the glass, not cracked through, just one of those infuriating lines that catches the sun at every possible angle. You book an autoglass appointment, and they quote you $100 to $150 for what they call precision scratch treatment. Here is what they are doing behind that door. Standard white toothpaste, the old-fashioned opaque paste with mild abrasive grit in it, handles minor surface scratches immediately. Dab a small amount directly on the scratch. Work it in with tight circular motions, using a soft cloth. Let it sit 2 minutes, then wipe it clean with a damp cloth and watch the result. The fine abrasive particles gently polish the surface and dramatically reduce shallow marks for the price of a tube of toothpaste. Autoglass shops have been doing this same process, with slightly fancier abrasive compounds for years, and billing you $150 to call it professional. The chemistry is identical, and now so is your result. Number 11. And this one turns a $200 tow bill into a 30-second fix you handle yourself in your own driveway. You are stuck in snow or mud, wheels spinning, pressing the gas harder, and making everything dramatically worse. That small button on your dashboard, showing a car with squiggly lines underneath it, is your traction control switch, and understanding it is the difference between breaking free and waiting 2 hours in the cold. Traction control cuts engine power the moment it detects wheel slip, which is brilliant for wet road stability, but actively works against you when you are stuck and need your wheels to spin and dig. One press disables it temporarily, gives your wheels full power to push through, and gets you moving again in seconds. The manual mentions this in fine print that nobody reads, and the towing industry profits every single day from drivers who never discovered that button. Turn it back on once you are free. That knowledge just saved you a costly tow. Number 10. Your steering wheel is cracking and drying out, and the interior shop wants $60 to $100 for a conditioning treatment they are going to apply in under 5 minutes. Here is the gamble you are taking if you pay it. Those professional conditioning services are built almost entirely around petroleum-based moisturizers, with a touch of fragrance and a premium label added on top. A $4 jar of Vaseline does the exact same job. Work a small amount directly into the steering wheel surface with your fingertips. Press it into every crack and textured groove. Give it a few minutes to absorb, then buff away the excess with a clean, dry cloth. Your wheel immediately feels softer, looks restored, and grips the way it did when the car was new. Here is the kicker. Keeping this up every few months prevents the deep cracking that forces a full steering wheel rewrap, which runs $200 to $500. One small jar stops that entire bill before it ever starts. Number 9 will make you genuinely angry the next time you pop your hood. You see that thick white and bluish corrosion coating your battery terminals, and the car barely wants to start. Most drivers hear the word battery and immediately replace it, dropping $100 to $200 on a new one when the battery itself is perfectly fine. What mechanics figured out decades ago and have zero interest in sharing with you is that a can of Coca-Cola dissolves that corrosion faster than most commercial cleaning products on the shelf. The phosphoric acid and carbonic acid in the soda chemically attack and break down the oxidized buildup on contact. Pour a small amount over the terminals, watch it fizz through the corrosion in real time, scrub with an old toothbrush, rinse with water, and dry completely. Shops charge $40 to $60 for this exact process as part of what they call a professional battery service. The chemistry doing all the work costs you $1.50 at any gas station. Your car starts clean and your wallet stays full. Number 8. The lane departure warning on your car fires constantly in city driving, and you have been white-knuckling through the noise. Assuming there is no way to shut it off, there is a button on your steering wheel right now that controls this system entirely. Look for the icon showing a car positioned between 2 lane lines. Press and hold it for a moment, and the system dials back or disables completely. Some vehicles route this adjustment through the infotainment settings menu instead. But either way, it takes under 2 minutes to find and fix. Here is the betrayal buried in this. Automakers engineered lane departure warnings for long, monotonous highway driving, where attention genuinely drifts, then set the sensitivity so aggressively that it fires during normal city maneuvers, including pothole avoidance and deliberate safe lane changes. The button to correct that was there the entire time, and nobody told you it existed. Number 7. Your wipers are chattering and smearing a blurry film across your windshield. and the mechanic is already reaching for a $40 to $70 replacement quote before he has even looked at the blades properly. Dampen a cloth with WD-40 and wipe it down the full length of each blade on both sides. Follow up with a dry cloth to remove the excess. The WD-40 cuts through the road film, dried bug residue, and car wash wax coating that builds up on the rubber edge and destroys smooth glass contact long before the blade itself wears out. One pass and your wipers glide cleanly again. Rubber deterioration almost never causes early wiper failure. Contamination does. Shops recommend replacement anyway because blade sales are fast, easy, and profitable. Now you know the difference. Number 6. Hard water spots. Baked-on bug splatter and a cloudy film are sitting on your windshield, and every glass cleaner you own just smears it around without removing it. The tool detailers are quietly using is a card from your wallet, an expired credit card or old loyalty card, held at a 45-degree angle and run across the glass. With light even pressure slides cleanly underneath baked-on deposits without scratching the surface. Follow with glass cleaner and a microfiber cloth, and your windshield is so clear it almost disappears. Detailers fold this same scraping step into their premium glass service pricing. You just got the identical result for free. Number 5. That small button on your dashboard, showing a car with a circular arrow looping inside it, is one of the most financially useful features your car has, and most drivers never press it with intention. That is your air recirculation switch. The moment you press it in traffic behind a diesel truck, your cabin seals off from outside air completely and starts cycling the cleaner air already inside. But here is what nobody tells you. Running recirculation mode also boosts your AC cooling output by up to 20% in hot weather, because the system stops fighting to condition scorching outside air from scratch. It reaches your target temperature faster and puts less strain on the compressor. And because far less outside debris cycles through the system, your cabin air filter lasts significantly longer. Mechanics push cabin filter replacements constantly as an easy upsell. That one button makes those upsells far less necessary. Number 4. Your seatbelt is sticking, jamming halfway out, or refusing to retract smoothly, and the mechanic has just quoted you $150 to $300 per seat for a retractor mechanism replacement. Here is the costly mistake hiding inside that quote. Seatbelt sticking is almost never a failed mechanism. It is friction and grime buildup inside the retractor housing, and it responds immediately to the right lubricant. Pick up a $6 can of silicone spray from any hardware store. Pull the belt to its full length. Apply a light, even coat along the entire webbing on both sides. Give it 60 seconds to dry, and let it retract on its own. The silicone coats the retractor internals and the fabric simultaneously, eliminating every catch and hesitation. Mechanics love this repair because the parts markup on seatbelt components is enormous. A $6 can remove that entire service from every seat in your car for good. Number 3. You hit the windshield washers, and the fluid shoots over the roof, blasts sideways, or evaporates in the wind before touching any glass. Shops write up $30 to $40 invoices for spray pattern diagnostics and nozzle adjustments. Here is the 30-second fix they are charging you for. The nozzles almost never fail. They drift out of alignment over time and need to be aimed. Insert the very tip of a sewing pin or wooden toothpick into the tiny pinhole opening at the tip of each nozzle and nudge it in whichever direction the spray needs to go. The tip pivots with almost no resistance. Fire the washers after each small adjustment until the spray lands dead center on the glass, right where the wipers sweep. 30 seconds, zero cost. And you never pay for that service again. Charging you $40 for a toothpick fix is not a service. It is a trap. Number 2. You finish a long drive and your neck is stiff, your lower back is aching, and your shoulders feel like you spent the whole trip hunched forward. The real cause in most cases is that your steering wheel has been sitting in the wrong position. Since the day you bought the car, there is a lever directly under your steering column that almost 40% of drivers, according to driving ergonomic studies, have never once touched. Pull it down. And your steering wheel becomes fully adjustable, moving up and down, and in many vehicles telescoping closer or farther from your body. Set it so your arms carry a slight natural bend when gripping the wheel, and every gauge on the cluster is visible without leaning. Lock the lever back up. A correctly positioned steering wheel also places your airbag in the right position to protect you in a crash. 10 seconds with that lever makes every single drive safer and more comfortable for as long as you own the car. And number 1. The hack that makes mechanics actively change the subject whenever it comes up. Every morning your car door lets out a long drawn-out squeak that announces your arrival to an entire parking lot. The rubber seals drag and stick. The hinges groan. And no matter how many times you slam it shut, it never sounds right. The mechanic comes back with a recommendation for professional seal lubrication or full seal replacement. Anywhere from $50 to $150 per door, multiplied by however many doors are affected. Here is the $4 truth they will never volunteer. Baby powder eliminates door seal noise completely, and you almost certainly already own it. Apply a generous amount directly along every rubber door seal, focusing on wherever rubber presses against rubber and wherever the door contacts the frame. Work it in with your fingers until it is evenly distributed. The powder acts as a dry lubricant between those surfaces, cutting the friction that creates the noise instantly. It also pulls moisture out of the seal channels, which is what causes sticking and the musty smell in older cars. That same bottle works on your window channels, your trunk seal, your sunroof track, and every rubber-to-rubber contact point in the entire car. One $4 bottle eliminates every squeak from bumper to bumper. Mechanics gatekeep this because quiet cars do not generate service revenue. Yours is quiet now. You just learned 15 hacks that the detailing and repair industry spends enormous effort making sure you never figure out on your own. Every single one of these saves you real money, sometimes hundreds of dollars at a time, on services that were never worth what they were charging you. If this video kept even one of those bills out of your wallet, hit subscribe right now. Because we expose this kind of hidden information every single week. Drop a comment below and tell us where you are watching from, and then click the next video because what is coming will make today look like a warm-up.